Some of y'all are gonna hate me for saying this, but what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm filming the IPSY Glam Bag for the month of May. This is the IPSY Original, and it is this super cute, it's like a faux leather, but it's like a picnic-y type material. What is this called? Tartan or plaid. And yeah, let's get into it. This one is not lined. I don't know why they do that. It's such a bummer when they don't line the bags because most of them are, and then you get like a random one that's not lined and it just feels a little cheap. Anyways, May 2026, the art of everyday. This month we're exploring our favorite beauty trend of all, finding what works for you and wearing it with confidence over and over again. I love that. It's got a little sneak peek of the product, so let's just get right into it. As always with these glam bags, it's usually a bunch of like minis and travels. So first thing is the Kenzie Sorbet Blossom Ultra Rich Body Butter. Last Kenzie product I tried smelled so good, so I'm hopeful. Oh, interesting. This smells a little bit like Baccarat. Not a little bit. It smells pretty much like Baccarat Rouge. So I'm not a huge fan of that smell. I know a lot of people really like it. That smell, some of y'all are gonna hate me for saying this, but that smell reminds me of like a cigarette smoker. I don't know why. Maybe it's a smell that I encountered when I was little of someone who smoked cigarettes, but this super sweet smell just reminds me of someone who like chain smokes cigarettes. So that's what I think of when I smell it. It does smell good. It's just like a very sweet smell, not really with any depth, but anyways, that smells like Baccarat. Then is a travel size of They're Real from, I think this is Benefit. Yeah, Benefit, They're Real. We all know and love this mascara, so can't go wrong with this. Great brush, perfect for traveling. Throw it in your bag, ready to go. Next is the Green Tea Ceramide Milk. This is a barrier essence. This is, I don't know if this is a toner. It says barrier essence, but I assume you use it kind of the same. And this is from Innisfree. Cute. And we have a soothing face oil from AKAR. Cute. It's literally like a little mini dropper and everything. It smells pretty good. And last in my May IPSY Glam Bag is the, oh dear, the Lower East Side Felt Tip Liner. I just filmed another video where I got a liquid eyeliner and I tried to do a cat eye mid-video and it did not work out, so I probably will not be trying this on camera. Ooh, it's very long. This one's a little liquidy. It's this bottom one, not the top, ignore that. So I'll let that dry down and see how smudge proof it is. But that is what was in my IPSY Glam Bag for May. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching. And you guys, it is smudge proof. Bye.